Duncan Peterson here from the Gilded Piano. I'm going to be regulating and cleaning this grand piano and voicing it. It's a Yamaha GH1. You can see the soundboard's kind of dirty. I've got things taken apart a little bit. We've got debris in there. I'm going to be taking the cheek blocks out. I've already unscrewed them. And here we go, like this. Couple things that are not awesome right now about this piano. There's no, the tone is quite bright. It's hard to play as quiet as possible. And a couple of reasons for that are the blow distance is really high. See, that one that's sticking up is set properly. The other ones are too low. And then if you can see, the grooves on those hammers are pretty deep. I'll be filing those out and creating a new surface there, changing the shape of the hammer so it'll strike more specifically exactly how we want it to. I'll be cleaning the keys and getting this thing working great. So I'll show you that as I'm going through the process. I'll show you afterwards. Talk to you later. Also, you can see here it's quite dirty. I've removed the key slip, which is this thing right here. And I'm going to clean this as well to look better. This is with the action out. It looks pretty gross in there. I'm going to take this outside and blow it out, clean it off. Here we are. I'm going to vacuum this piano out. I'm going to blow this piano out outside. Got my vacuum here. Here we go. Alright, it's kind of noisy with the lawnmowers next door. Over here. So excited about how it turned out. Ooh, I'm gonna play it for you, but I'm gonna show it to you as well. It's clean. It's clean. It's beautiful. I'm putting the pieces back together. There you go, it's all put back together. You were probably wondering, you forgot some parts there. It doesn't look quite right. Well, it looks like a piano now, right? And check this out, guys. It sounds, oh, I just love playing on this piano now. I've regulated, tuned it, voiced it. Check this out. Now, I don't have my tripod. This is an impromptu video, so I'm going to try and set this up on the piano or somewhere that you can see it. Bear with me. Okay, we'll see how this goes. so fun to play. So fun, guys. Get your piano tuned, voiced, regulated by Gilded Piano. You will love playing your piano. Have a great day, guys.